Hello techies. In this tutorial, we will learn how to work with Get a Team action, which is available under Microsoft Teams. Let me drag and drop this action onto the workspace. The main purpose of this action is to return details of a team by using team unique ID. Now, let me switch to Microsoft Teams. Now, if you see in my teams, I'm having three teams such as Conteso, onboarding employees, and build team, correct? Now, I want to get the details of the particular team over here. How can I go ahead and do that? I'm going to click on more options, and there I'm going to click on manage team. There you can see I'm having multiple tabs over here for such as members, channels, settings, analytics, apps, and tags, right? If I want to get the details about this team, in that case, we are going to use get a team action. All right. Now, if you see under the members, I'm having few members. There are owners are 5 and the members and the guests are 6 over here. And also in the same way, if you see the channel over here, there you are having two channels. One is dev team member, another one is operation team. All right. After that, if you go for the settings, there you can see I'm having team details, member permissions, guest permissions, mentions, team code, fun stuff, tags, all these kind of information we can retrieve by using get a team action as part of Power Automate Desktop. Let me switch back to Power Automate Desktop. There you can see I'm having the first parameter at the team. Let me click on drop down where we'll get all the available teams in the Microsoft team which we have connected by using connection reference. Now, I'm going to select the team over here as Conteso. At the advanced parameter, we are having timeout. Now, whatever the output it is trying to retrieve from the get a team action, it will be stored inside the variable that is get team response. All right, let me click on save. Now, let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started. Now, it is trying to get the information or the details for a particular team by using get a team action. Flow has executed successfully. Now, if you see about the team, the data has been stored inside my flow variable that is get team's response. Let's double click on that. And now, if you see in our variable that is get team response, what are the details that we have? First one is the team ID which we are having, correct? That is the ID. And the display name is Conteso and the description is Conteso. And when this team has created date on January 28, 2024. Alright, and if you see the remaining details such as classification is blank, specialization is none, and the visibility is public over here. This team is available in public. And the web URL for the particular team is https://teams.microsoft.com/i/team and so on, right? And is archive false. Is membership limited to owners? False, because of not only it is limited to the owners, the remaining members also can join in that. And you can see over here, as we have seen in the settings, discovery settings, member settings, guest settings, messaging settings, fund setting, and summary that we have. If you observe closely, in my summary, the owners count is 5 and the total number of members count is 11. So if you want to see more details, then I'm going to click on more. And there you can see the owners count is 5 over here, right? Let me go back to Microsoft Teams and let me go back to members over here. There you can see I'm having 5 owners over here. And if you see the members count over here is 11. How come it is? I'm having owners as 5 and members and guests over here as 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11, right? That is the total count which I'm having at the members count. All right. I hope you understand how to retrieve the details of a particular team by using an action called get a team action as part of this tutorial.